Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Faridabad, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your requirements and exceed your expectations. With its vast experience and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers unrivaled reverse engineering services that are bound to leave you impressed. Whether you are looking to recreate a product, improve its design, or understand its functionality, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. As a leading provider of reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precision and accuracy. Their team of highly skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art technology and advanced methodologies to ensure that every detail is captured with utmost precision. From scanning the object to creating a 3D model, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd leaves no stone unturned in delivering exceptional results. Their attention to detail and commitment to excellence sets them apart from their competitors. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your reverse engineering needs is their extensive knowledge and experience in various industries. Whether it's automotive, aerospace, consumer electronics, or any other sector, their team has the expertise to handle complex projects with ease. They understand the unique challenges and requirements of different industries and tailor their solutions accordingly. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can be confident that your project will be handled by professionals who understand the intricacies of your industry. Another standout feature of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their commitment to timely delivery. They understand that time is of the essence in today's fast-paced world, and they strive to deliver results within the agreed-upon timeframe. Their efficient processes and streamlined workflow ensure that your project is completed without any unnecessary delays. I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the amazing reverse engineering services provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Faridabad, Delhi NCR. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company that specializes in offering top-notch reverse engineering solutions to its clients. Their expertise in this field is unparalleled, and they have established themselves as the go-to provider for all reverse engineering needs in the region. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from the crowd. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest technologies and methodologies used in reverse engineering. With their extensive knowledge and experience, they are able to provide accurate and reliable results to their clients. Whether it's product design, prototyping, or analysis, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got it all covered. The best part about Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's reverse engineering services is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand the unique requirements of each client and strive to deliver tailor-made solutions that meet their specific needs. Their attention to detail and commitment to quality is evident in every project